Hi everyone! In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to set a landing page as your home page in Selldone. This is a great way to customize what your visitors see first when they come to your store. I'll walk you through each step to make this process simple and straightforward. Let's get started. From top menu, press Settings. After, click on the domain or home. Next to your selected domain, choose Landing Page. Next up, click on Landing Page. You'll see several options to choose as your home page. Store displays all your products, and you can also set up a community, blog, or map as your home page. Just remember, avoid selecting static page for this purpose. From the list, select your desired landing page. For example, I have created a fitness landing page and select it. If you want to see the result, click on View Live. That's it. Now you know how to set a landing page as your home page in Selldone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.